What's goody, y'all? So real quick, I had to drop in and give y'all the tea on this little joint I picked up. This is Miss Nigella from Outre's Wigpop collection. Now, I got her in the color D4613, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, y'all know I don't do no short wigs. Alright, so the wig had absolutely no combs in it at all. Not in the front, not in the back, but it did have 2 adjustable straps. Let's try to put this joint on my big old dome. Let's see. My head measures 23 inches in circumference, just for those who don't know. And putting it straight on my head, she actually was an okay fit. I would say, like my girl Kyra Shine says, it is big head associate. Yeah. But with the bangs in the front, it's not really a big deal because you can't see, what's up under them bangs. So right here, I'm just finger combing it out, just playing in it a little bit. It does have a silky texture. Nothing yucky about this texture at all. Oh, I'm cute, y'all. I'm cute. I'm cute, y'all. I'm cute. What? Oh, yeah. Oh, man. I really did I like the style of the wig. I like how easy it is to just finger comb the hair. The best thing about this joint, though, was the price. Y'all, I literally paid $11 for this, tax included. I picked it up from my local beauty store when I was in there trying to find headbands for all these headband wigs. I just so happened to run across this. I was like, let me try something new for my boos real quick. So what y'all think? Y'all like it? I hope so. I liked it. So this little part right here, y'all, it was super random. I just wanted to show y'all my dress that I just thought was so cute. Got it from Beautify by Barbie. I'll definitely make sure to leave a link in the description box if you guys are interested. So since I didn't comb the wig out when I first put it on my head, I decided to just comb it out and see what it looked like as far as how the style comes out of the box and how the model on the stock card is wearing it, which is pretty much like a bowl cut. Yeah, got a little salad bowl action going on now, just a little bit. And y'all see the top of that wig? There is no kind of like skin top or anything like that. It looks like your good old-fashioned quick weave type of wig. Yeah, nothing fancy. Hi there, y'all. Oh Lord, not even. Nah, let's comb that out. Let's comb that out, boo. Yeah, the fingers were the best tool. The comb is okay, but nothing beat the fingers in this cute little cut. I actually had to give it to Outre for this wig, y'all. It was minimal shedding. Of course, no tangling. I mean, it's short as heck. It's not gonna tangle. For real. But super easy style in less than 1 minute. I was able to put that joint on my head and play with it and have a cute little style. Yeah, there were a couple of flyaways. That's what I was pulling out. But other than a few flyaways, which were easily tamed, and minimal shedding, y'all, this is a winner. This joint is a winner. Y'all drop down below in the comment section. Let me know y'all's thoughts. What do y'all think? Do y'all want to see more short wigs from me? Y'all like this? Y'all don't like it? What's up, boo? Tell me what you thinking, girl. Guy. Y'all know I love y'all. I pray God continues to keep y'all and cover y'all and always bring y'all back to me for the next video. I love y'all.